Hey everybody, welcome back to the Jewelry Spot. I'm Val, and what I do is I create earrings mostly. Today it's time for the Jewelry Making Fun collab, and it's sponsored by Deb Huck of Dahlia Designs, and myself and lots of creators come up with different designs to make, and we have different guidelines to follow and everything like that. And so this is May 18th, and so for the month of May, the mission was to use like bright orange, bright yellow, red or green. Those are our colors. And then we had an option of using themes with like fruit, like strawberries, things like that. I've seen lots of jewelry recently inspired by different types of food. And so that's one of our things that we could do. And also to use, I think, metals, like I believe the specific metals were like bronze and silver. And so I'll show you what I've done. I know last month in April, I didn't have my hoop earrings. I always make hoops. Last month, I think one of my highlights was a bracelet. So I'm back to hoops today. That's kind of what I do, but I like to make other things as well. I do have these orange hoops. These are 50 millimeters, kind of on the larger side. And I also have some that are smaller. So these are 25 millimeters, and they're orange hoops. And the other thing I have in orange is these. These are a great neon color. They're so bright, but perfect if you have something to match that, those really pretty neon colors. And in the yellow, I've got another yellow item. Another neon item, extremely bright yellow. Little 25 millimeter hoops. I got another pair of seed bead earrings. These are, I think, size 8 seed beads. Another 50 millimeter pair, kind of large, about 2 inches. And so I've got lots of hoops today. And I did find the strawberry charms. They're not bronze, but I thought since they were strawberries, I could still use them in our little challenge. And then that's what I've got today. I very much love earrings, and so I stuck to earrings today. And thank you for watching. Hope everybody gets to watch everybody else's, all the other creators. I'm going to link below their description. You can see what these wonderful folks have made, and I know you're going to love it all. Thank you, as always, for, to all of my subscribers. Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching my channel and liking and commenting and all the good things. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.